Well, this is David, electricmonkeygarage.com. We're trying to get one of those first YouTube videos out. We got a Facebook page, and it's got a lot of pictures and stuff, but we just wanted to do some YouTube videos. We got a lot of projects coming up, but we had to get this first video out. We had the latest, greatest cameras and stuff, but we still had computer problems. Well, it's 1.3 megapixel. Well, maybe not. Okay, maybe not the latest, greatest, but we're going to get it done one way or the other. And my hat goes off to those people that can do it, because I thought, well, what's the big deal? Just do it, you know, make it happen. But it does require some getting used to. But anyway, we got a lot of videos coming your way. We have a Camelback Hamilton Monster drill press. We have a 4-foot power brake that needs some guides made for it. We're going to use phenolic. We have a 10-foot power brake. We have a Nimble NEBEL lathe, a monster lathe. We got a Bridgeport mill. We're going to be doing forklift repairs, how-to videos. We might do some electrical. We might do some plumbing. We might rebuild some electric motors. We might rebuild some pumps. We're going to be doing some sheet metal projects. Our lathe needs some cast iron welding. That's going to be a fun video. We have a new to us welder. It's a 1968 Miller 330. I think it's 330. Anyway, we got to hook that up. We got to figure out. They tell us it works. We're going to have some different segments. One of our segments, I go to the scrapyard a lot. So we're going to do some segments on scrapyard finds. Another segment is, along with impersonation, it's the coolest thing ever. Anyway, the segment is, you find stuff at the scrapyard or around your shop and you just think it's the coolest thing. So it's going to be a small segment in some of the videos where we show some coolest things ever, and maybe we'll send those out to some people that are interested in them. We're going to make a video on how to put things on YouTube. Like, here's some wrenches. You want to make sure you don't need them, and you don't have to pay a lot of money to get them back, but these are some vintage wrenches, and we're going to do a video on what it takes. You know, you need to maybe research them a little bit, see if they're made in the U.S., see if you can get a description on them, take pictures, what it takes to get them on eBay. We'll check our list here. A lot of things. I have a shop full of a lot of rescues from the scrapyard. Some of them are not rescues. I don't know, did I mention the 1-inch Kalamazoo bandsaw? And we have another, I believe it's a Wells bandsaw that we're fixing up. We have a Atlas lathe. Does anybody like Atlas lathes? We've got one of those, and I was at the scrapyard and I watched them drop it from 8 feet high off the magnet. But I said, hey, I would like to have that lathe, and I talked them into selling it to me. Even though they dropped it, they still charged me for buying it. He charged me pretty good. But anyway, a lot of videos coming, a lot of excitement. If you don't want to wait for a video, just go to electricmonkeygarage.com and you can see some of the pictures. We have a Milwaukee K&T horizontal vintage mill. We got to get that thing going. We have some large riveters, C-shaped riveters, and we want to make one of them. It has a 36-inch throat. We want to make one of them punch holes, and we want to make one of them to be a bead roller or even a slitter. So those are going to be some really great projects, and we're doing our best to get them going. But I have to admit, those people that can make these YouTubes once a week, my hat is off to you, because it does take some getting used to. But anyway, hopefully this is going to be one of our first, and we're going to get it out there and we're going to get it posted. We'll talk to you later.